Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT Max 3, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, we will want to, number one, turn off the device. Before I actually do this, I'm going to quickly mention that this process does remove things like screen lock, so if you have one that you don't know, you can get rid of it that way. And as you will see, I do have a pattern set on my phone, so there we go. I'm going to progress from the lock screen right here. So hold power key, select power off, wait for it to turn off, and once it does, you want to grab a cable, plug it into your computer. I have one right here. Hopefully this is Type C. Yep, Type C. So plug it into your computer, and while holding volume up, I'm gonna just hold the volume up, you want to plug in the cable. And as you can see, this takes us straight to the recovery mode. So from here you can unplug the cable, and now using volume keys to navigate through the menu, you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm it with power key, select Factory Data Reset, formatting data should be written at the bottom, then data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once again to initiate that reboot. Now this will continue the process in the background, so just give it a minute to finish up, and once it's finished we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.